we are going to right click on the paw and go to add a part, then hit text, then type in the dog or cat's name. Now we are going to right click and change the filament on embossed text so we can see the dog's name now because it was red. And now we don't have to manually paint the dog's name. We are going to right click on embossed text. Now we are going to move dog to a position in the paw. Now we can change the size of the text to bigger, smaller, and now adjust where we want the name when we change the size.